Is website optimization the key to a top search engine page ranking? The other day the employee of a new client told me that optimizing a website has absolutely nothing to do with page rankings on Google. I think his actual words were, if you are talking about adding keywords and meta descriptions, etc., Google doesn't use that stuff any longer. So, you don't need to do anything with our website. I hate these situations. The client is a good friend, and I'm sure the employee means well, but he is so wrong. Getting a top search engine page ranking is all about proper SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is probably the single most important factor to take into consideration when developing your business's internet marketing strategy. After all, if your site is not optimized to its fullest potential, it will rank lower than those sites that are. Can you afford to be the 10th, 20th, or 30th on a list of search engine returns? How likely is it that your link will even be noticed if you're not on the first page of search engine results? These are questions that you, the modern business owner, must consider if you want to keep up in the fast-paced, highly competitive world of web marketing. These days, it is not enough to hire a marketing guru to design a flashy, user-friendly website. Now you must worry about how you will drive traffic to your site as well, and that means employing SEO. And by the way, the flashiest sites tend to do far worse in rankings than their more plain competition. Move your site up the ranks by following these 5 tips for how to get to the top of search engines. Develop the best, most accurate list of keyword phrases. Use keyword research programs like WordTracker and Google's keyword tool to compile a list of relevant keywords. Only use keywords and phrases that are directly associated with the content on your website. Use keyword phrases wisely. Be sure to have the most important keyword phrase in your page's header, then randomly place the rest of your keyword phrases in the content of the web page in a way that is natural to the reader. Organize your website according to your keyword research. When you use keyword research tools to identify appropriate keywords, you will also be able to get a good idea of related words and phrases internet surfers use to locate your specific product or service. For example, if you sell sports equipment, you may find that people tend to either search by sport or by brand, and you can use that information to categorize your inventory accordingly. Design your site so that spiders can read it. Spiders are the programs that assess your site's search engine return value. Because spiders can only read HTML, you need to make sure each page, category and menu item on your site has HTML links. Additionally, your graphics should be wrapped in standard HTML tags if you want spiders to notice them. Label your site's text links and alt tags in a way that is descriptive of their associated landing page. Don't make internet browsers guess as to where your site's in-page links will lead them by using generic terms like click here. Instead, use a keyword phrase that indicates the content of the landing page. The key to a top search engine page ranking may be complex in theory, but it can be quite simple in application if you follow some simple guidelines. If you want to truly maximize your website's potential, contact Crackerjack Consulting for your SEO needs. We can be reached by email, Cheryl@crackerjackconsulting.com.